Dividing a document into several sections allows you to vary the layout without necessarily starting a new page. In our example, we are using Word 2010. If you are using a different word processing program, the steps in the command locations may be different, but the concept is still the same. Creating sections allow you to change the number of columns on a single page, for example, or to have different headers and footers on different pages, or to change the size and orientation of the paper for a specific page. The chapters in this report all have to start on an odd page. Place your cursor at the beginning of the chapter and then find the Page Layout tab. Click on the arrow next to the Breaks list to access the various types of page and section breaks. And then select the Odd Page section break. The first chapter will now begin on an odd page and a new section. To see the section break, go to the Home tab and click on the Show Hide button. Now we'll change the orientation of the page containing Table 1, but only that page. To do this, you need to plan for 3 sections. First, a section in portrait mode before the page containing the chart, then the section in landscape mode, and finally the remaining pages in portrait mode. Place your cursor before the paragraph preceding the table and insert a Next Page section break. To put the page in landscape mode, click on the Orientation button and select Landscape. The following pages are now all in landscape mode. Now put your cursor at the beginning of the paragraph following the table and insert a section break, but this time choose Continuous. Still in the Page Setup group, click on the Columns button and select 3. The text is now in 3 columns from the table to the end. Place your cursor at the end of the last word on the page and insert a Next Page section break. Click on the Columns button to select the single column option, and then click on Orientation to select Portrait mode. The last section is now in portrait mode and in a single column. As you have seen, learning how to use section breaks is indispensable for creating a sophisticated, professional-looking layout for all your long documents.